In today's video, I will walk you through how to buy stocks on MetaTrader 5. Start by making sure MetaTrader 5 is open and that you're logged into your trading account. Once you're on the main trading screen, look to the left side of the platform for the Market Watch panel. This is where the available trading instruments are listed. Move your mouse inside the Market Watch window and right-click anywhere within that panel. A small menu will appear with several options. From that menu, select Add Symbol or Symbols depending on the version of MetaTrader 5 you're using. After selecting that option, a new window will open showing different categories of available instruments. At the top of this window, you'll find a search bar. Click inside the search field and begin typing the name or ticker symbol of the stock you want to trade. For this example, type AAPL to search for Apple. As you type, MetaTrader 5 will filter the list of available symbols. When the Apple stock symbol appears in the results, click on it once so it becomes highlighted. Next, look for the button labeled Show or Show Symbol. Click that button to make the stock visible in your Market Watch list. This adds the symbol to your available instruments so you can trade it from the main platform. Once you've enabled the symbol, click OK to close the window and return to the main MetaTrader 5 screen. Back in the Market Watch panel, scroll through the list until you find the stock symbol you just added. When you see it, click on the symbol once to select it. Now you're ready to open the trade window. Right-click on the stock symbol and choose Create Order or New Order from the menu. This will open the order window for the selected stock. Inside the order window, review the available settings. Enter the trade volume you want to use, then choose whether you want to place a market order or a pending order. Check that the selected stock and your order details are correct before continuing. When you're satisfied with the settings, confirm the buy order using the button provided in the order window. After the order has been placed successfully, your stock position will appear in the terminal section of MetaTrader 5, where you can view your open trade. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Thank you for watching.